Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for about maybe 16 days. So I think today is the 16th day. So we are back. Hopefully you guys were able to refer back to any of my previous videos. This actually is a lost file. This is actually from last year's summer. So, I did find this footage and I remember a lot of people wanted to know how I did them. So, this is the tutorial, or really is just kind of like a speed through or whatever, because this was a really long set. Anywho, I am just starting. I'm actually using acrylic in this video, and it was just to adhere the tips on, but this was just to have more security. And actually this set lasted for like almost a month before I took it off. Um, but yeah, so I'm just putting like a small bead right by that cuticle or whatever, and then I'm just gliding it onto my nail and letting it dry a little bit before moving on to the next one. Also cleaning up any extra product, of course. Even if the product seeps out, like if it's still a little wet, you can kind of remove it with your finger. But this is not an acrylic channel, so please don't think I'm giving you guys a tutorial, because I am not, I promise. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to acrylic. Like I don't think I used acrylic again after this set. It just gives me a headache. Like the smell is so bad. Even if I have like a air purifier, the windows open, air blowing, it does not matter. I still get a headache. So I am not a acrylic girly, but I did use acrylic for this set. If I do like want my sets to last, I know for a fact clear acrylic is gonna get me right every time. So I might use it to adhere my tips here and there, but other than that, like, no, no, I cannot do a full set with just acrylic. And I'm just putting like a light, very light, what is that? What is that called? Just a light layer of acrylic. Y'all know what I was trying to say? Why y'all didn't help me? But yeah, just like a little light layer of acrylic, and because at first I was gonna leave them like that, but they just looked so flat and just looked like they was ready to break off. So I just did go ahead and go in with a very thin layer of acrylic, and then yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Also, please comment down below if you guys entered the giveaway. If you guys have not, the giveaway is still going to be open until, I'm saying, I said to the 1st, to June 1st, just because I want to custom make something for you guys, and it's going to take a little bit of time for me to get it, but I'd rather wait until the 1st, just because it's just a fresh start, and I didn't want to cut off the giveaway right in the middle of the month, especially when I'm not ready to give away the items. So, yeah, once we figure out who the winners are, that's when I'm going to reach out to you guys and see what you guys would prefer to have. And we're going to go from there. But yeah, um, I'm introducing something new and I can't wait, but I'm not going to say anything until the giveaway. I'm not going to really show you guys what I have in store until the giveaway. So hopefully you guys are still with me. It is May 23rd. And once again, this video is very fucking old. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. And the more I watch this video, I really wish that I kept them a little longer. But honestly, like, I like the flared duck nails. And sometimes I can't really get things done. Like, if I need to, um, like, what is something I can say? Like sometimes when I type, like I think I have to make my thumb really, really short. I don't know, but the longer they were, I just knew that I wasn't gonna be able to function, so they just kept getting shorter and shorter. But initially they were supposed to be like a good long length, but that's fine. I actually want to redo this set just because um I like the clear sets. Like I'm migrating more towards clear and just having like some cute designs on them just because like I don't know, like I like my fingers with clear. Like I like how my hands look with my nails clear, and I don't know, it's just a vibe. Like look at my fingers, just so beautiful. Anywho, now I'm just using some 3D sculpting gel and I'm just gonna put like random little circles, little squigglies, like stuff like that. It's just gonna be very random. And I did go ahead and put base coat before I did this. The putty actually sticks on better with the base coat. So if you are using 3D sculpting gel, either use it right when you use, like right after you get done curing with like a color or something, or use base coat because that sticky tacky layer helps the 3D putty stay, especially like after you cure it or whatever. Um, Certain movements, if you don't have like a good foundation, the stuff will pop off. So I prefer to put base coat on before I do all of this, especially when you're trying to like sculpt on the nail like I'm doing right now. Um, if I didn't have base coat on, that would have popped off. I wouldn't have been able to do all of that. So base coat is like holy grail when it comes to anything gel, in my opinion. I think that's in everybody's opinion, to be honest. But if you're not using base coat for everything, what are you doing? You can't use gel, anything without base coat. You need the base coat, babes. You gotta use the base coat. The base coat is what's gonna make the gel gel, you know? So yeah, but I actually really like these clear. So I think I really want to do like a clear set, a clear like duck set or something, and just keep it clear. Or I wanna do a set that mimics actual real nails. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Um, I'm gonna try it out though because it's giving. I want to grow my nails out, and I'm tired of doing my nails all the time. And I'm just gonna start using my mannequin. So hopefully you guys are okay with that because honestly, my nails are starting to get it's around that time where my nails are starting to get weak again. So I have not really been able to do I have been doing videos, but not as much as I should. But also that's because my fingernails like they've been needing time to recuperate. And even though I prep really good, because I am ripping those nails off, not ripping them off, but like I am taking them off and I'm always constantly doing something to them, um, they're mad at me right now. So I needed to take a little break. But we are back and I have been making new content, but I just stumbled upon this video and it was very dreadful for me to even edit it, and I think that's why it took me so long to even put it out because of how long it took. Like individual colors on each of these little shapes and all of that took so long, you guys. So really this video was like 4 hours and I cut it down to 12 minutes. So just imagine that. Like, come on now. And as you can see, I clapped. I was real excited because I'm like, whoo, finally. Me to the last little leg. So now I'm just putting on like little stars and like some rhinestones here and there. It was kind of giving like the galaxy a little bit, planets a little bit. So that's why I wanted to throw some stars in there. I actually got this inspo from a Pinterest picture, and I think I'm gonna post my set and the inspo picture on my community tab. Hopefully I remember to, but the inspo picture did not have any like stars or anything in it. It just had the colors and the shapes. But and they were actually longer and they were square. But this set came out so cute. When I posted my nails on TikTok, they was eating them up. So um Yeah, I just felt real good about these, and I really needed to hurry up and put it out because I finally came around to getting the time to edit it, and so we are here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat with shiny top coat. I don't know why I just had a brain fart right there, but yeah, shiny top coat. This is like this is me, you know. I lose my train of thought real fast sometimes. Sometimes things slip my mind. Sometimes I talk too much. Sometimes I cuss too much. And this is my channel. So if you don't like that, you can go. But if you love me anyway, thank you. Because I'm not like, it's to the point where I feel like I have to be more professional to work with brands. And honestly, brands don't give a shit about us. So I don't give a shit about them. So therefore, I'm not going to keep being super like professional, putting on a front, knowing damn well I'm comfortable. I like talking to my people and I like being myself. So this is me. This is Shay. Hopefully, um, you guys resonate with that little message. Anywho, we go ahead and putting some cuticle oil on. I had to give me some little flicks on my phone. That's why the flash is on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.